Meaning of insomnia.
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 Insomnia. Insomnia refers to a sleep disorder characterized by difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up too early and not being able to go back to sleep. It can lead to daytime tiredness, irritability, poor concentration, and decreased productivity. Insomnia can be caused by a variety of factors including stress, anxiety, depression, medical conditions, or substance abuse. Treatment may involve identifying and addressing underlying causes, practicing good sleep habits, and possibly medications. If left untreated, insomnia can have negative effects on physical and mental health, as well as social and professional life.